Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley-Bug here. I want to show y'all something. Here's my wax from my hive. Some of it's dirty. Alright. I've seen videos where people go and boil it and pour it in containers and take knives and scrape it and carry on and do days and boil it 3 or 4 times. This morning I was in a hurry, which I am right now. It's 100 degrees right now, about 101. Heat index 112. So anyway, I grabbed my tote, grabbed the lid off a smaller tote, a clear lid, grabbed a little container out of Mama's kitchen when she wasn't looking, and did this. Put a napkin in there and put some wax. Ay, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Anyway, that is what I did there. And look what I got down there. The cleanest, prettiest wax you ever seen. Now people, you can play around with it, ball it and cut it and scrape it and ball it and cut it and scrape it. Or you can just get your container, put your wax in there with just an old plain napkin. That's all it is. The napkin's a filter. And look at the trash you took out of that wax. Now look how clean the wax looks. Look at the trash that was in it. Nothing to it. It just takes a few minutes, and I guarantee you 95% of the people in the world's got some of this anyway. So you got a choice. Let the sun do the work for you, or you can heat the stove up, heat the house up, turn the air conditioner up higher, boil your wax, pour it in the container, scrape it, boil your wax, pour it in the container, scrape it, and have fun. Have a good day, like and subscribe.